Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to be making this. It's a cabbage fried rice. It's really budget friendly. It's super tasty. It's fairly healthy. It's vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started on this one. So you're going to need a wok or a large pan or something to accommodate the cabbage that we're going to put in. Here I've got some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. The heat is on. I've just put it on above medium. And here we have cumin seeds, a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're also now going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And then we're going to go in with 1 cup of onion. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And we're going to go for about 3 minutes stirring often. Fantastic. Next up we're going to add our cabbage. That's quite a lot of cabbage we're adding. Shredded white cabbage. There's about 6 or 7 cups of cabbage. Or, you know, like a cabbage that size, you know. What we're going to do is go for about 4 to 5 minutes stir frying this around. As it cooks, it's going to reduce down. This is coming on really nicely, and as you can see, it's reduced down in its volume as it cooks. Here we go, we're going to drop in some spices. I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric, chili and cumin powder. If you want, you can just pop in a curry powder mix that you have maybe. Just give that a quick little mix in there. Then we're going to be adding our rice. Now, I always use cold rice. The rice I'm using was cooked yesterday. I find that hot or warm rice doesn't fry so well. Basmati rice, ready to go. So we're going to get our rice in. And again, there's about 5 or 6 cups there. I'll leave all of the ingredients in the text below so you can check it out. Now we want to go for another 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up now. We really want to fry this rice out. Okay, so really important to really fry the rice and even burn it. If I get a little bit of browning or blackening on it, I love it. Let's just turn some of this over and see if we can see. I don't think you can see in here where it's just catching. I think that's really, really beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. Check it for salt. You've done it. It's a beautiful, nice fried rice. Okay, and there you go. Now that's a rather large plate. That's going to feed maybe 4 people there. So you can reduce it down if you're cooking it just for 1 or 2. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you.